So I've been looking at this for a while. It's the home. It's been sitting on my desk. I'm going to research it. Oh, that's so satisfying. Oh, yeah. 2 plastic wraps and then the ball to get into it. My friend doesn't like me buying these, but I love them. I love that I know I'm getting some good. I'm watching the eBay. Yeah. There's the guide. That's cute. No, I want. I'll check the separate. Fishbowl's cute. Yeah. Right, this is like stuff for a dollhouse. That's pretty slick of them to figure that out. Totally repurposed. And these are still rare. Furniture. Wow. Interesting. Many brands. Oh, I probably won't get the one I really want. That's okay. I didn't realize the one I wanted was ultra luxury rare. What is that? I don't remember seeing that. It is an air diffuser. Oops. Like candlesticks. Oh. 3 candlesticks. Candlesticks. Oh, and 3 little candles. Candlesticks. Oh, magazines. Little magazines. They're plastic though. Do not like the books. Oh, I got a picture. That's super cute. I like that one. Probably not rare, but the water pitcher. I like that one. That doesn't say it right. Interesting. Yeah, furniture. Shell armchair. Okay. Yeah, it's the home. I know how to do this. Thank you for watching if you made it this far. Most people don't. I really appreciate it. I don't know why I do this. Have a good night.